Welcome to this tutorial about V-shaped valleys and interlocking spurs along river channels. So how does a V-shaped valley form? Well, a V-shaped valley forms very high above sea level, sometimes known as base level. And all this means is that it has a special kind of energy called gravitational potential energy, or GPE. And this is simply the force of gravity pulling the river downwards. And this creates what we call vertical erosion. And vertical erosion will simply make the river erode deeper and downwards into the valley. Now, at one point, the river valley was this shape, almost a flat U shape, but vertical erosion has eroded it vertically downwards to create V-shape. But there's something else going on here. In this photograph, you'll see lots of boulders in the river. And these boulders have come from the valley sides, known as scree. It's just material weathered from the valley sides. And these boulders scrape against the riverbed. This is called abrasion or corrosion, and it also helps the river to erode vertically downwards to create a V-shaped valley. So moving on now to V-shaped valleys with interlocking spurs. These are simply hillsides which interlock with one another, and the winding river which would flow down the valley here has to wind around these hillsides, and basically these hillsides have more resistant geology, a harder geology, and because remember the river is eroding downwards, it finds it very difficult to laterally or horizontally erode the hillsides, so it's forced to go around them, creating this lovely picturesque view of interlocking spurs of a harder geology.